Hello, warm welcome to all of you. This is a course on literary and cultural disability studies, fondly hereafter as LCDS. Okay, what is LCDS? Well, it's a field or discipline that concerns deeply with how disability and other human conditions, maybe uh, something like vulnerability, mediate our connect with cultural artifacts such as literature. Basically, how conditions such as disability and vulnerability and other conditions connect and mediate our understanding of literature and so on. Okay. Um, so, as a consequence, in LCDS, we deal with conditions, practices, technologies of reading and writing, unique standpoints, positions, other orientations, mentalities, uh, maybe imagination, fantasy, attitudes, all that constitute our cultural context. Okay? So, in a broad way, it's about aesthetics and cultural politics. In a focused or narrow way, it is about the enduring connect between disability and literature. So that's the broader stuff of this course. It builds on the success of the previous course, Disability Studies and Introduction. Okay? The course has 4 parts. We deal with the question of canon, different methods of understanding or exploring cultural archive about disability, literary criticism, ways and modes in which we do close reading. The multilingual question, well, this is a huge part of this course because we have a significant half of this course is about Indian Sign Language, ISL, deaf culture, deaf art, and much more because it concerns with multilingualism, translation question, many things. And last part, interdisciplinarity. So we won't confine to literature, but we will travel beyond that, in a way enriching our knowledge of fields in humanities and social sciences. Okay, so to whom is this course meant for? Well, students pursuing MA, MPhil, PhDs in any discipline, those who have done the previous course on disability studies and introduction or something equivalent, or those who have an active research interest in disability, health, identity studies, question of marginality, social exclusion, multilingualism, and diversity. Okay? Modalities of course delivery, I made it to be a curious mixture of lectures, basically me talking, conversation with experts around the globe, particularly from India, and classroom discussions, students from my classroom. Well, a note of gratitude. I am deeply indebted to the NPTEL team, especially Bharti Madam, Karthik, and Mahesh, and to my dear teaching assistants, Priyamvada, Suma, and Vimal, who made this enterprise possible. And lastly, well, and my wonderful participants. So I hope to interact with you and learn from all of you. A warm welcome again. Again, we are in a most difficult period in human history under the grip of the pandemic. Take good care of yourself and hope to connect and learn from all of you. Thank you.